Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Say English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ramo. Sophia, you won't believe what happened to me yesterday.
Oh, what happened?
I was standing at a coffee shop and I told the barista, I'll take a coffee, please.
Uh-oh.
She stared at me like I had said something totally strange.
Did she correct you?
Nope, she just smiled and gave me the coffee.
But inside, you felt awkward
Very. My face got warm. I knew something wasn't right.
because your brain sensed a mistake.
Exactly. So tell me, was I wrong?
A little. You should say, I'll get a coffee or I'll have a coffee.
Oh no. So I've been saying it wrong for years?
Don't worry, this is super common.
Seriously?
Take a coffee sounds like you're grabbing it and running away, like a coffee thief.
Exactly that. Get and take always mess me up.
And that's today's topic.
Ha! Nice timing.
Get versus take, the final battle.
I really need this lesson.
By the end, you won't mix them up again. Deal?
Deal. Okay, here's my issue.
Go on.
Last week, Lily corrected me 3 times.
3?
Yep. Dinner, morning, and at the store.
What did you say?
I said, I'm going to take a new phone.
Oh no.
That's wrong again, right?
Right. You get a new phone, you don't take it.
But both mean getting something, don't they?
Technically, yes, but the feeling is different.
Feeling?
Let me paint a picture.
I like pictures.
Think of get like receiving a package at your door.
Okay.
It comes to you, you don't chase it.
Something arrives. Got it.
Now imagine take like reaching into a cookie jar.
Ah.
You move your hand, you grab the cookie.
So get is passive, take is active.
Exactly. Get means things come to you, take means you go to things.
Like gravity pulling stuff towards you.
Nice example.
Get pulls things in,
Love that. I'm stealing it.
take is reaching out and grabbing.
You've got it.
I really need visuals to learn.
That actually helps memory a lot.
My brain already feels clearer.
Good. Let's lock this in.
I'm ready. Start with get.
First phrase, get a job.
Get a job, not take a job.
Right. The offer comes to you.
Someone gives you the position.
Exactly. You receive it.
I got a new job last month.
Perfect.
Can we ever say take a job?
Yes, but the meaning shifts.
How?
Take a job means you accept it, often when it's not ideal.
Like, I had to take a job at a fast food place.
Exactly.
So get is neutral, take shows acceptance.
Sharp thinking.
Next phrase, get married.
Easy one.
Why get, not take?
Because marriage is a state you enter.
Right, you receive the status.
You can't take married.
Exactly.
I got married last year.
Perfect.
They're getting married in June.
See? Natural already.
What's next?
Get tired.
Tiredness comes to you.
Exactly.
I get tired after lunch.
Perfect.
I'm getting tired. Let's leave.
Great example.
Take tired sounds impossible.
Totally impossible.
Same with get hungry, get angry, get excited.
All feelings arriving.
Exactly.
This is clicking now. Get home.
Get home means arrive.
I got home at 7 p.m.
Perfect.
But take home?
Different meaning. Take home means carry something.
Take home leftovers.
Exactly.
Get home is arrival. Take something home is carrying.
You're on a roll.
What's next?
Get ready.
Preparing yourself.
Yes, reaching a state of readiness.
I need to get ready for work.
Perfect.
Take ready sounds insane.
It really does.
So emotions and preparation use get.
Exactly.
What about get better and get worse?
Changes in condition.
Yes. Health, weather, situations.
I hope you get better soon.
Perfect.
The weather is getting worse.
Exactly.
You can't take better or worse.
Never.
I see the pattern now.
Tell me.
Get is for states, changes, and receiving.
Spot on.
What about communication?
Get a call, get a message, get an email.
All arrive to you.
Exactly.
But take a message?
That means writing it down for someone.
Like a receptionist.
Yes.
So the secretary takes the message.
And the person gets it later.
Perfect logic.
One more get phrase. Get it.
Meaning understand.
Exactly.
And get along with.
Having a good relationship.
Yes.
Okay, brain full of get.
Ready for take?
Let's go.
Take is about action.
Active, not passive.
First one, take a shower.
You actively do it.
Exactly.
I take a shower every morning.
Perfect.
In British English, get a shower works.
But American English prefers take.
Got it.
Take a break.
Actively stopping to rest.
Exactly.
Get a break means luck.
Right. Take a photo.
Take captures the action.
Get a photo is the result.
That makes sense.
Take time.
Use or require time.
Take your time.
Take advice.
Accept and apply it.
Take medicine.
Consume it.
Get medicine means buy it.
Exactly. Transportation time.
Take the bus, take a taxi, take the train.
Always take in American English.
British say catches the bus.
Got it. Take notes.
Writing actively.
Always take notes. Take a test.
Doing the exam.
Time for mistakes.
Let's do it.
Wrong. I will take a coffee.
Correct. I'll get a coffee.
Wrong. I got the bus.
Correct. I took the bus.
Wrong. She took married.
Correct. She got married.
Wrong. Please get a seat.
Correct. Please take a seat.
Wrong. He took home late.
Correct. He got home late.
Ready for practice?
Let's go.
I need some sleep.
Get.
Can you a picture?
Take.
She a promotion.
Get.
Don't forget your medicine.
Take.
What time did you home?
Get.
Let's a taxi.
Take.
I always nervous.
Get.
You should a break.
Take.
Did you my message?
Get.
I'm going to a walk.
Take.
Perfect score.
I feel proud.
That confusion is gone.
That's the best feeling.
Confusion turning into clarity.
Exactly.
Quick review.
Get phrases first.
Get a job.
Get married.
Get tired.
Get home.
Get ready.
Get better.
Get a call.
Get it. Now take phrases.
Take a shower.
Take a break.
Take a photo.
Take time.
Take advice.
Take medicine.
Take the bus.
Take a test.
8 get, 8 take. How do you feel?
Like I climbed a mountain.
And the view is worth it.
Nice. I'll practice with Lily tonight.
Great plan. Question for listeners.
Which get or take phrase confuses you most?
Tell us in the comments.
And if this helped you, subscribe. Just say English.
Remember the image.
Get is mail arriving.
Take is reaching for cookies.
Passive versus active.
Keep learning.
Mistakes are okay.
That's how fluency happens.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.